Hey guys, I'm really excited to share with you today how you can create a family memory planner page in your digital journal with the Zinnia app. The first thing that I'm going to do is set up my page style to landscape and be a single page so that no divider is shown on the spread. I really like the craft paper look, so that's the color choice that I'm picking. Zinnia offers a wide range of digital stickers in their studio. Rather than scrolling through all of their content, I'm going to use the search bar to find specific stickers that will match the theme for my spread. My family and I just went on our first camping trip to Enchanted Rock, and it was so much fun. I wanted to document this family memory in my digital planner. I'm using some washi tape from the Zinnia Studio and a font that I downloaded onto the app to create the aesthetic I want. Next, I'm going to use some pictures that are in my photo album from our trip. I can access them from the photo icon here. Did you know that you can save personal photos and items from the studio? Click on the My Stuff icon to favorite specific washi tape, text boxes, stickers, and more here. It will save you time in planning or creating your digital spreads. One of my favorite things about digital planning is how easy it is to access the pictures that we take on a daily basis from our digital devices. Using a digital journal or planner has helped me to be able to recreate these wonderful memories and moments that I want to remember for a very long time. Here's how you can save your favorite stickers. Hold down on the sticker or item inside the studio that you would like to save, and click on the Save to My Stuff tab. Next, click on the My Stuff icon on the top right corner in the studio toolbar. I've gone ahead and saved specific stickers from the studio I wanted to use for this spread. Next, I'm going to use the marker and highlighter tool to create a list of my top 5 memories from our camping trip and journal about the specific moments that I loved from each picture referenced on my page. Even though I could not capture every single picture on this page, I'm going to create a list of the top 5 memories that I will hold near and dear to my heart, and I'm going to place specific digital stickers to help me remember those moments. One being this camping zone sticker to remember the hilarious stories that our family told around the campfire. And the other digital stickers, the moon and the stars, to remember the beautiful night sky while we were up in Enchanted Rock.